sorry, don't mind the knocking. That is my landlord. But I had to turn off the light in my bathroom to talk because this is... You hear that? Yeah. But yeah, I got this wig from LEMODA Hair. I love the hairline on this wig, but I did not bleach it. I didn't do anything to it, and I only put like powder on it, and this is kind of the result of that. So today what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Walmart and I'm gonna try to get some little bleach packets, and I'm going to bleach this wig. I'm gonna bleach the fronts. I don't ever do this. I did this one time and it was an utter fail. Yeah, excuse the baby. I'm trying to be cute. Don't mind the mess back here. It's all my face products, hair products, and then like laundry. Like reading message. But yeah, so I'm excited to see how this is gonna turn out because honestly it has so much potential. Like you can see here that had I not put like makeup, yeah, it was a fail. I failed. Like I bleached through too much and it was too runny, but now I'm, you know, more adept at what to do, baby. And this is the best wig that I've received from an AliExpress vendor, LEMODA. When it comes to hairlines, yeah, this is lifting off now. But like when it comes to hairlines, this is probably the best one that came pre-plucked. Like I almost feel like they plucked right here a little bit too much for my liking. But I know there's ladies out here that love that like super plucked look. To me, it just looks like balding there, like I'm losing hair. But yeah, it's a beautiful wig. It's 22 inches. Brazil, I don't remember actually the curl. Honestly, I can't remember. But I can't wait to see what it looks like once I get it done properly, because as of right now, I think I messed it up by putting powder on it, to be honest. So I'm gonna wash it. I don't know if I'm gonna bleach it first and then wash it, or wash it, bleach it, wash it, but yeah. So remember when I said I'm a noob? So this is the result. It looks a lot better. It's browner, but I did bleach through just a tiny bit, so the roots are a little bit light, but it still looks bomb. I still like it. I'm still rocking it. Hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.